no place to find all those data in real time. So my solution is Carbon Ledger. Simple name, that's just simply everything better. A unified carbon utilization dashboard. So my main agenda is single source of truth, a single data warehouse that stores immutable data. We start with a data source that get data from different hardware devices, IoT devices, file input, PDF, Excel, and manual entry to start with. Then we have a validation engine that will check against different kind of policy before even storing to the database. So at the end, we will have an operator dashboard, and they are already ready, or the reports are already prepared to report for any kind of legal compliance. Reporter gets a dashboard that has all the compliance file, and public gets data almost in real time.
And then
so this is a big demo.
Page. We have three major roles: operator, regulator, and community. Our main principle is one single source of truth. All the information and data are stored in a single up-and-only warehouse with full history that powers all of our three different portals: operator, regulator, and public. Starting with operator. Operators start with integration. They provide data like text file or a CSV. They can also connect different IoT devices and REST API or a WebSocket as well. They are all powered by AWS Kinesis and an API layer that connects them to our system. The overview tab shows all the information that they need right now, the deadlines, different kind of facilities they are linked with, and some preview of different matrices. This feed is dynamic, and operator can tailor it to their preference. In the live feed, the operator can check all the connected devices to their facilities. They can see the live streaming from those devices, as well as track the health of those meters. Before storing anything, we run an anomaly detection. Operator can also set the threshold, but we will also run our model to check in parallel. If anything looks off, we will send them a push notification, as well as it will be listed here. In the Facilities tab, it lists all the sites the operator is assigned with. They can view matrices, historical data, utilization rate, different devices connected, the streaming. They are also allowed to submit a report or create a calendar event. If there's any misreading because of a device issue, they can update it. We add the corrected value and keep the original reader timestamp and name. So no single data is ever overwritten. There's also a calendar feed for operators. So operator also gets automated events based on their selected facilities and the sector they work with. But they can always fine-tune the calendar. Operator can also automate the process of submitting a report. Based on all the information that we have collected, we will help them to create a report, where they can export as a PDF or a CSV document, or they can directly send from our platform to proper compliance agency if they have supported system. In the case of availability, they will also be able to schedule a reporting based on some frequency if the service provider has certain API provided. This page also has all the past 45Q credits history, as well as our reports page has all the past reports where they can download CSV or a PDF file. Now regulator. Our regulator is provided with compliance heat map across the state, and they can filter for a specific sector as well. In a review queue, they are presented with submission in a consistent format, where each item has a clear status of full audit trial as well as place to communicate with the submitter. The CCUS flows tracks volume from capture to transport to storage. And in our performance analysis tab, it highlights change over time. They can see growth or decline by specific sector. Also, they can zoom into different text. In the report section, it shows the trends across facilities and their reporting behavior. Our collaborative tab supports working with third-party provider as well as operator from different facilities. In the public feedback tab, they can see all the tickets created from the public. They can review them and be more transparent towards the public. And finally, public view. Anybody can start with a training. There are some short modules about carbon dioxide, carbon emissions, greenhouse gases, and CCUS basics. There are some quizzes for each topic as well, also provided with useful links for additional references. You can always go back to our university homepage of a map. So when they click on any kind of site, they see a matrices in one place, emission over time, reduction goals, sector details, and data quality labels. If anybody wants to view full timeline of data collection or past history, they can do by clicking on that button. They can compare different facilities based on their performance, based on their change over time, as well as different other mathematical operations of graph study. We also have a ranking page that allows anybody to rank or compare different images based on region, year, and different sector. Finally, we have a community hub section. Here, we use powerful tools and open source data to provide real-time updates on carbon emissions and CCUS projects. This lets people share feedback or report any issue related to those projects. We have also included a comment section so that community can stay informed, discuss updates, and easily forward important messages to regulators. So in our platform, operators run the work, regulators review with consistency, and the community sees and participates.
Hi, thank you. So this is the simplified version of our AWS architecture, although we're starting from data ingestion to running through different data processing pipelines, different anomaly detection, as well as different check against the policy, then storing them into our transactional database as well as data warehouse, followed by a caching layer that sends all the data to our client. Our core impact is the efficiency, as well as our main plan is to change public perspective on carbon emission. Our next step is to collaborate with our experts. So right now it's not fine-tuned for this different sector. So we want to fine-tune our platform to automate the process of reporting to different sector. So we want to collaborate with different experts from different fields, as well as we want to test our platform with a real facility so we can see real data streaming into our platform. Yeah, thank you. So it is available to see live carbon measure that on Chhantyal platform.